Interactive content. Interactive content such as a quiz, surveys, and games is becoming increasingly popular as a way of as a way for businesses to engage with their customers and gain valuable insight into their audience. By providing a more interactive experiences, business can build stronger relationship with consumer and create a more memorable brand experiences. ChatGPT selection of this trend puzzled me. So I read interactive content 10 tips to engage your audience, which claimed interactivity is extremely important on in the online world and it will improve user experiences. Okay, but is interactive content more important to SEO than Google? They say Google August 2023 2022 helpful content updates. To answer this question, I don't need to conduct a multi-activate variety test within this A and B test to determine if the chatbot has spotted a trend that we should focus on in 2023. Get City delays SEO and PR and the business of wire. Disclaimer: co I co-founded SEO PR won two awarded in 2013 for an A and B and C test, which found our press releases with a video got 55.4% more releases views and 36.1% more links clicks, and releases within a photo had 4.6% more releases views and 7.1% more link clicks than releases with no multimedia. In 2018, businesses were launched interactive media news releases which received 88 seconds of active attentions compared to 13 seconds of passive attentions for traditional news releases. Business Wire also says the interactive format engage audience 30% minus 50% more than traditional news releases. Micro movement. As consumers are constantly on the go and using their mobile devices for quick information, businesses are focusing in micro moments. These are the moments when consumers need information immediately and businesses are providing relevant and timely information at exactly the right moments. I was buffered by ChatGPT selection of micro moments as on the top of digital marketing trends for 2023. It has been a trend for more than a decade. So why should we focus our attention and on this now? Well, ChatGPT know of events after 2021 is limited, and back then people were emerging from the lockdowns during the global pandemic, so they suddenly started using their mobile devices again to search for COVID vaccine near me or Johnson and Johnson vaccine near me. Maybe these old micro movements promoted the chatbot to select an outdated trends.